So what we're going to learn about today
is a volcano.
about a volcano and how it works, okay? So the first thing I want you to learn about, to see, is our Earth, okay? What shape is our Earth?
A circle.
A circle, it's round, right? And how many parts do you think our Earth has?
Crust. Mantle. What does that say?
And the core. So how many parts is that?
3.
3. So how many pieces of Play-Doh do we have?
3.
Okay, so what do you think we're going to make?
A volcano.
A volcano or the Earth? So we have 3 parts. We have the outer layer, which is called the crust. Can you say crust?
Crust.
Is the outer layer. The middle layer is called the mantle.
Mantle.
And the inner layer is called the core.
Core.
So we have the crust, we have the mantle, and we have the core. Can you say that with me?
Core.
Crust,
Crust.
mantle,
Mantle.
core. Okay, now we're going to roll it up. Okay, now I want you to look at the inside of our Earth.
Okay.
This is how it will look, okay? On the inside. See? We have the crust,
The crust.
the mantle,
The mantle.
and the core. And the core is super, super hot. That's why that is red. Super hot.
No, that's pink.
It is so hot it creates gas and it melts metal. You see this spoon is metal? It's so hot that it melts all the metal that's in the center of our Earth. And when that happens, let's move to this now. Leave this here for a minute.
I need to try it.
Okay, you see this? What is this?
Pop.
What do you think is going to happen to this when I shake it?
It's really hot.
You think it gets hot? Should we see?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you think is going to happen when I open it?
Oh, splash.
You think it's going to splash? I hope it doesn't go too big.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. If it
Ready?
goes too
What do
big,
you think is going to happen?
we'll have to take them.
Watch. What's happening?
It's gonna explode.
It
Take
exploded, right? You know what that was? That was pressure. When I shook it up, it activated part of the soda and it built up pressure, and so when I took the lid off, it escaped. That pressure escaped. In our Earth, it gets so hot in there, and the gas and the metals get so hot. Can you look at this picture? This is the core, and the gas and the metals get so hot that pressure builds up inside of our Earth, and it creates a crack in the mantle and also in the crust. And when it cracks through the crust, what happens?
Explode.
It explodes, kind of like our pop, right? The pressure builds up and it pushes it out, right? So here's our next project. Move over here. We're going to put some baking soda in this glass,
Let's see what else happens.
okay? And we're going to put, can you pay attention over here? Let's leave this over here for now, okay?
And then
Okay.
I'll finish cutting.
All right, so we're gonna put some Dawn dish soap in there, just for foamy bubbles. And we're gonna put, what color is this? Red. It's gonna represent our lava, because magma, which is when it's inside the Earth, magma is red, it's hot, okay?
Scared. Is that the hot lava that came
Okay,
out?
you ready?
Uh-huh.
Okay, do you wanna pour some in there?
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
hold it good. It's gonna come out fast.
Scared.
Whoa! What is that? Hot erupted. The magma that was inside, which is the hot metal and the gas, that magma came up and it came out. And when it comes out, it's called lava, when it's outside of the volcano.
Oh
You know
my
that?
God,
Isn't that awesome?
this is a science experiment.
Okay, all right. So, can you tell me what you learned today? Start over here. What did you learn?
I learned about the crust, the mantle, and the core, which is inside the screen ball.
Okay, and what about the core?
It's hot.
It's hot.
That's why this part is red.
Okay, and then what did you learn about this?
When you shake it, you open it up and then it comes out.
What makes it come out?
The energy.
The energy, the pressure,
The pressure.
right? Okay, and then what did you learn here?
I learned how volcanoes can explode.
How?
Lava out.
So the strategies used in the volcano experiment that I did with my young daughter, the first one that I used was attracting attention with an activity. And that activity was, of course, the erupting volcano, the erupting soda bottle, the soda bottle to describe the pressure, and the erupting volcano to solidify process of magma flow into lava. Also the clay dough earth ball in the beginning. Those were used to attract attention because activities involve students in learning and help them to remember the lesson that was taught. The second strategy I used was to conduct a review and to activate her prior knowledge and to check her perceptions. I asked her what she thought would happen when the pop was shaken. I asked her what she thought would happen when the vinegar was added to the baking soda, and then I reviewed the steps as I was going along teaching her. And this uses the schema activation. It activates her prior knowledge by asking her what she already knew and then connecting that to her new experience. The third and final strategy that I used was to represent the content visually and verbally, which I did with pictures, the erupting volcano, and the clay dough earth ball. Thank you.